morning guys, again with a gameplay video. Actually I was just looking for a I was trying to just play a gameplay. This is my first gameplay on YouTube which I was uploading. This gameplay I was generally having some problem with the net and my gameplay was being disturbed. And I don't know, my aiming section is also not working. As you can see, actually I don't like DP, that's the main problem. DP, and I have not any type of practice. This is a pro player, not a noob, because see, Devi 15. I joined to play mobile, but with my friend request I was playing light. Actually I forgot that where I have knocked that enemy. Then I got the footprint from the back. Mobile, I don't know that's how to play. I was moving back to back. Then I saw it. See the headshot. This is not a headshot actually. What is headshot? When you kill a man, when you kill a enemy with the shot on his head, that is called headshot. So that is a little bit quite. It's need much more practice for a headshot, and for us beginners, it is not that much easy. So, what you do, just knock a person, and then just hit the bullets on his head. Then what will happen कि नॉक हुआ आपसे, बट उसको जो शॉट लगा वो उसके हेड पे लगा और वो एनिमी को आपको किल मिल जाएगा. And from next video I will try to record my gameplay sound. This is I am doing the voice recording. Just watching a video and just talking to all. AKM, I thought to take the AKM, but when I will move forward I will got MK. MK having too much blast. I don't like that MK that much. But we have done the chicken dinner with this. Chalk I have got. I need some accessories like external magazine and other. I will got 6x in here, I think so. I will got the 6x. I have got the 6x, but I don't know that I am having the 6x. See, I have picked, but I have forgotten that I am having the 6x. Then I will. अगर मुझे पता रहता तो मैं इसको डीपी में लगाता. डीपी में स्नाइपिंग अच्छा हो जाता है. हाई एक्यूरेसी आता है इसका डीपी का. रशियन मिंट गन है ना. रशियन गेम गन्स अच्छे. I'm some problem with my net. Aiming section is also not working. I don't know this thing. If I am in a diamond 4, suppose I am in diamond 4 and I stop playing for few days, like 7 to 8 days, to will my rank will be down or at usual, like I am in diamond 4. So when I was अगर मैं 11 मतलब 7-8 दिन बाद 7-8 डेज के बाद उसको देखता हूँ, फिर से अपना अकाउंट को लॉगिन करके एंटर करता हूँ, तो क्या मेरा जो रैंक पुश किया था मैंने डायमंड 4 तक, क्या वो डायमंड 5 पे आएगा, गोल्ड में आएगा, प्लेटिनम में आएगा, क्या आएगा, ये कमेंट में आप बता देना मुझको. बिकॉज Generally, I don't know. If my friend was in Cloud Plaza only, then I would never thinking of little bit of more loot. I was just killing enemies. As you can see my map, that blue zone is in my head, but I'm not caring about it. So that is the thing which I have done wrong here. When I was jumping, I saw the footprint. Here when you move the screen, you have seen an enemy. See, many bullets I have fired, but only seeing some bullets have been hidden. And when it was locked, I don't know where the enemy was firing to me. See, I don't know. And then I've seen on the bonnet of vehicle that that's enemy somewhere. Here also when I fire the bullet misses. Then I open my zoom in. See the high platforms surface. When you are sitting on a high surface, it would be difficult for that enemy to kill you. My friend is also knocked, but I cannot help him because he's too much far from me. He's a noob, I think. Pedal one, huh? He's the noob. The zone was very near to me, but then also I took in the vehicle because it usually helps. And this has a small trick. When you are playing that, when you're driving the vehicle, this is a new update, I think so, because before when I was playing it was not happening. So क्या होता है कि जब हम गाड़ी चलाने लगते हैं तो हम अपने आप को हील नहीं कर सकते या कुछ भी मेडिसिन नहीं खा सकते हैं. तो अभी जो नया अपडेट है उसमें थोड़ा ग्लिच है. यहाँ मेरा व्हीकल डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है, मेरा व्हीकल ज़्यादा देर तक साथ नहीं दे पाता है. तो क्या होता है कि हम लोग उसको हील नहीं कर पाते हैं. तो पहले क्या, गाड़ी में बैठ जाओ, हील मेडिसिन या बैंडेज जो है उसको दबा लो, और उसके बाद अपना बूस्ट या जो व्हीकल मूविंग है जिस तरह से करना है आराम से चला लो. मैं यहाँ पे ग्रेनेड फेंकता हूँ और ग्रेनेड में से मेरा व्हीकल डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाता है. दैट वाज द मेन प्रॉब्लम. मेरा साउंड क्लैरिटी ठीक नहीं होगा क्योंकि मेरा माइक अभी नहीं आया है. मेरा माइक थोड़ा ख़राब हो गया है. व्हीकल डिस्ट्रॉयड. इससे मुझे बहुत दुख हो रहा था कि मैंने ग्रेनेड कैसे गलती फेंक दिया. थोड़ा सा दूर रखते. ग्रेनेड के शॉक एग्जॉब की वजह से जो व्हीकल होता है या कोई भी चीज़ थोड़ा सा वाइब्रेट करके हिल जाता है. You can see MK14. When you will you should try always to be in the middle of the zone. And a red zone is also that much difficult. As you can see, where my aiming point is there at few minutes it will just blast a bomb. Number 2 is knocked. Moving, and see now. And after that, after 5 kill, I don't think that I have killed any enemy. I have just given some damages. And remember one thing, when you are at a high surface, or a high surface is covering you, then you need to just slip, crouch. If you become a flat, that is much more good. Like my friend has hidden, so I was moving back again. I got the bullet one. I saw an enemy, but I could not. Beyond the tree, I have saw the enemy, but my friend has hit him with the AKM. I saw him, was firing. Suddenly he died. Your teammate has knocked that with AWM. And see here, I have got one shot. I just slept. When I was moving at back, I have seen. When I saw the enemy, when I slip. Sorry, I saw an enemy which is having a high surface is covering me. You can see here the high surface is that at my left, not left one, right one from now. And so the enemy, small mistake, I thought that whenever an enemy just come out, he or she always being near with that, but number one was seeing him only, and I blast the vehicle with my guns, bullets. I still was thinking that there is somebody. If you just rewind the gameplay at 10 seconds, you will see. Here one more time I have given much more damage when I was running back. That enemy has moved to the 185 home, 185 degree southeast. You can see the play zone and see the right side 185 where my maid is being. Oh, I think that I have cut in that video, maybe, because here I have given too much of damages. I have given and he also given me, and this time that enemy dies with the enemy dies with enemy dies with the red zone, I think so. 6 kill and my 5 kill. We celebrates. So thank you, and I will be soonly back with my next gameplay video. I have to upload it. Then I use my zoom to just shoot some weapon. Single and burst. Auto single burst, that is good one. And this MPV is of my next gameplay when I was hitting 6 kill, damage 185 and 13.3 minutes supported